Hey, welcome back, folks. So the production staff, you probably picked up on this by now, they're big gin drinkers, okay? And a martini is the classic gin drink. But the origins of the martini are kind of not exactly known. But this one is known. It's called a Turf Club. And it's like a martini, but it's got some other little flavors going on. It dates back to 1884 when it first showed up in a bar recipe book. So pretty simple. It's got a couple extra little ingredients that might be a little strange to get. One is absinthe. That's that French weird licorice anise tasting stuff. Get a small bottle unless you're really into it. It gets a little pricey. We got a good gin. This is Plymouth gin. Plymouth has been around, gee, many Christmas, 1793, and it was a gin to the British Navy. We got a extra dry vermouth. Remember, that's a wine, so if yours is old, get rid of it. And then we have Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur. Once again, this is one to buy in a small bottle, save a little bit of money. We have been making a ton of cocktails with this, and we've barely gotten down to here, so this is one you're using like quarter ounces, half ounces. It's really a short pour on that one. So let's get started. We're going into our mixing glass right here with 2 ounces of Plymouth gin. And for some reason, the recipes that I found all called for this particular gin. We've had this gin. It's kind of average, but it's got a great history to it, so whatever. 3/4 ounce of the vermouth, right there. So it's a pretty gin-forward drink, so it's on the dry side. Oh, we left this guy out here. Oh, by the way, Regan's Orange Bitters. We'll be using 2 dashes of that too coming up here in a sec. So the maraschino cherry, we're going to use 1/4 ounce. Now, if you really like this and you like the flavor of it, bump it up a bit. Who cares? 2 dashes of the orange bitters that we almost left out. And then the absinthe is 2 dashes as well, but you can't dash out of a bottle like this. So I've got a little bar spoon here. And I'm just going to control the measure and put a bar spoon of it in there. Now, if you like the flavor of the anise and that black licorice, add some more. Hey, I'd sure like to have that glass that's over on the table. Production staff. One moment, please. And through the magic of television, we have the glass that we're going to be using, this glass. So here we go. We're going to just stir it around. Dilutes that cocktail, cools it down. You know it. It's a whiskey. It's about darn near the only glass we use. This is their Coupe glass. So any glass that's styled like that is a Coupe glass. So with our Hawthorne strainer, probably this and a bar spoon and a mixing glass are mandatory equipment for your bar. Straight in. Now, I'm a big proponent of using garnishes that match what's in the drink. This one called for a lemon peel, but there was no lemon in this. Maybe use a Luxardo cherry, kind of something different. But if you're going to use the lemon, kind of squirt it over the top, get some of that oil out on the top of the surface. And there you have it. The Turf Club has a few extra ingredients, but it's still a simple cocktail to make and one you should try. It's really tasty if you like martinis. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. A martini with a bunch more complex flavors and really enjoyable. And there's the dog. Take care. She loves it too. See ya.